To move eSIM from your old phone into the Google Pixel 11 Pro, start by opening System Settings. Now go to the Network and Internet, and you will have to navigate into SIM cards. Now click to add eSIM. As you can see, currently it is actually not available for some reason, like I cannot transfer my eSIMs from my Z Fold 8. So I will show you how it looks from SIM card, the physical SIM card, into eSIM, because it looks the same. So now click to the transfer and select here transfer eSIM. There's also short information that you should actually read. Now click here, click to transfer SIM. And as you can see right now on your device, you should find actually this notification, transfer SIM to Pixel 11 Pro or eSIM. Now you will have to just click next over here. And after a few seconds, you will find another loading screen. So you will have to just scan like so. But of course, I'm not gonna do this because I don't really want to do this. But if you want, then as you can see, this is the easy way how you can do this, and then just simply follow on-screen instructions. I hope you find this video useful.